This is Eddie. Eddie has an idea for a product. In order to meet some goals he is going to need funding. Eddie wants to ask his friends and family, business associates, and interested parties to donate to his dream. But how can he do it professionally and quickly? Eddie enrolls in the CMU-RC Exchange program to utilize social media to spread the word. His network logs on to the secure exchange site and donates money to Eddie to help meet his needs and move his idea forward. CMU-RC receives Eddie's bill and sends Eddie's payment on his behalf out of the money he raised from the CMU-RC exchange. Eddie is happy because his network has helped him move his idea one more step forward so he can take his product to market. Eddie's network is happy because they have peace of mind knowing their donation is going directly toward helping Eddie reach his goals.